and I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
For all time's sake. As time goes by.
Good morning, guys. So, I love when you wake up and you don't have any money in your bank account because everything has to pen. And when you check your bank last night, it's a completely different balance when you wake up because everything just pens and you have no clue what your actual balance is. So, got to deal with that today. And, yeah, I've got to learn some bank math, I guess, and, use the calculators to calculate my actual balance, do the work, for them.
As time goes by.
I'm stuck in this stupid line that's 10 hours long. Just like freaking forever. I've been here for like 55 years. Ugh.